Guys, get ready to rumble. This is how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So this works in 2026. It's super cool. So let me show you it. So as you can see, I got all the settings. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So first thing we have to do is type in this website. So it's called TweakMod, and then just type Delta. So as you can see, there it is. So before this downloads, it's going to be a verification thing. You just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it's loading up right now. So I'm just going to let it do its thing. We should be good to go. Alright, so let's see if this works, and we should be all set, guys. So this is super crazy. Alright, so it's just downloading right now. So yeah, we'll just wait. Alright, so as you can see, it says missing files. So I just have to download some of these from the list. So we got like Reco Social, it says like download, and like make an account, whatever. So yeah, just make sure you do like 2 of them, guys, and then you should have the Delta Executor on your device. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. So that's how to download it. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. But that's how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So it's super wild, as you can see. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. See you guys in another one. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys. It's not requiring a jailbreak. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, have fun. And peace out, my squadron. Whoa.